¿Esa? Sí. Come on. Come on. Dang it, I forgot the keys. Why is my life so hard? Yeah, it's super cold. Forgot the keys. Therefore, I didn't even. Espérate, Nay. Espérate. Vamos. I forgot the keys inside. I forgot to lock the door. I mean, I'm glad I forgot to lock the door, but I shouldn't forget to lock the door when I leave. Okay. Give me keys. Get in your seat. Go in your seat. Go in your seat, baby. What are you doing?
What's this?
Huh?
Let's go home, Mom.
We are home. Good job. Why is it always windy when I want to record? Huh?
I can't find it.
Can't find it.
It's this right there.
Oh, the sprinklers? Yeah.
I want to grab it.
You wanna grab it? Yeah, I don't think you can. It is already late in the afternoon. Well, it is 5:20. I just got off work. We went inside, had a snack, and I have no idea what we're gonna eat for dinner. Zero clue. What?
I was right.
Oh, do you wanna go again? Let's go again.
Yay.
She likes this little hill to go down. I'm trying to speak more in Spanish to her because during quarantine she spoke so much more Spanish. So I'm going to, so just so she doesn't, oh, you want to go this way now? Just so she doesn't forget her Spanish and learns more Spanish. Since she speaks English at school, I think she will be okay with English. But at home, it's going to be mostly Spanish. Except for when I'm vlogging. Baby, I think that's Benji. Yeah, that's Benji. That's not Callie. Hi, Benji. Hi, boy. So, I decided to come to my sister's house. 6 feet apart, okay?
You're funny. You're funny. You're funny.
You're funny.
You're funny.
You're funny.
Yeah. You're funny. You're funny.
You're funny. ¿Quieres más? Oh. Good morning, guys. It is May 6th. That's how my morning's going. It is May 6th. What is wrong with me? And I slept until 8 this morning. So I'm more rested. We went to bed after 10. I'm exhausted. 10 for me is like 1 in the morning. You wanna eat? Oh, Kira.
I want to eat this one.
Drop it. Drop it.
Me, 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 me. Let me do it. I'm ready.
Do you need help?
Oh my God. Here, Mommy. This is the red.
Grab one.
There's one.
One.
Two.
Akira doesn't like this. Hey, Freddie, what are you doing? Was that given to you? I don't think so.
Two.
Déselo a Kira a ver si se lo come.
Did you?
Okay, Kira. Kira doesn't like those. She takes it and just drops it. She's gonna come and help me. So, I had this, well, I have it here right now, but I had it on top of my printer, and obviously that's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. Hi. ¿Tienes hipo?
Sí.
A ver. ¿Tienes hipo? Nope. I want to hang it. I want to hang it on the wall. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Obviously not that crooked. I think it's better if it's hung somewhere where it cannot fall on us, because, you know, I don't know how to do this and it's already broken. It's so crooked. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it for now.
Okay.
Like, this is how it's supposed to be. Oh, it looks so good too. Like this.
It's so high.
You know what? It's just a representation of my life.
No, it's a horse.
Right? It suits me. Just trying to make up excuses to leave it like that. And I'm going to. I convinced myself.